Tim is really good at making Weird Al versions of our songs. So the alternate version, if Weird Al were to do it, was Dim and Dim Sum. Dim Sum, yeah. Oh yeah. This song is called. This song is called "The Little Rain," but if we're up to Tim, it'd be called "The Little Wayne." 2, 1, woo! We played a music festival up in north of Toronto called Way Home. It was a good time. And there's some really nice reviews about the show. We felt really good about it. And there's a really positive review. But they kept on calling us a Christian rock band. and when I look back, I was like, yeah, there's a lot of religious imagery going on. And this song is probably a good example of that. It sounds like I'm talking to God in the song. It sounds like I'm stumbling into St. Peter's Cathedral in this song. But this song is just about, he's a non-practicing Jewish communist guy named Peter Rosenthal. And he's a hell of a dude. He's a social justice lawyer, and he represents groups that don't always have a lot of money but need support. So the Ontario Coalition Against Poverty. He represents First Nations groups, victims of police brutality, and he does it all with this fucking beautiful, wide, gap-toothed grin on his face. He does it all with he's got one. It looks just like that. Give the crowd a smile. Look at this guy's smile. That's the best kind. I was getting desperate. Yes, I was. Yes, I was. A couple bad days turn into months. In a month, yeah. I stumbled in the St. Peter's Cathedral that I was. I never tried religion, but man, I tried anything once. You were smiling, you were wearing a t-shirt from a rally in 1992. That's what Pete had to say to me. When the rain starts coming down, oh yeah, a little rain ain't bringing me down. When the rain starts coming down, Cathedral, I need to hear you, let's go. A little rain ain't bringing me down. Yeah. For breakfast dates, and that's what he had to say. Well, Pete said, now let's meet in the morning, get some sleep, so you can clear your head. Yep. The morning sun had the sidewalk scorching, yes it did. So you knew the clouds be rolling in at 5 or 6 p.m. The apple done when I started crying. Well, Pete said, you got a friend in me. Now before we get to this chorus, hold on a second now. Let's do that, let's vamp on that pre-chorus again. Here we go. In the studio, we made Tony do this piano part that goes really fast. Look at me go. Yeah. Tony just told me, he just informed me the computer did it. Live and in person. Here we go. When the rain starts coming down, oh yeah, a little rain ain't bringing me down. When the rain starts coming down, oh yeah, a little rain ain't want to do in the studio. What do you got? I'm running on empty. I said, Pete, man, I'm running on empty. My favorite Jackson Brown song. I'm running on empty. 65, 17. No, I don't know the words though. Let's hear it. We need everybody here at Record Theater to help us sing this, alright? Here we go. When the rain starts coming down, oh yeah, a little rain ain't bringing me down. When the rain starts coming down, it's good for you. That's what Mama says, sing. A little rain ain't bringing me down. When the rain starts coming down, oh yeah, a little rain ain't bringing me down. A little rain now. When the rain starts coming down, alright, here we go. A little rain ain't bringing me down. You know when Lil Wayne just tries to bring it down? Weezy baby.